Hey guys, it's Amber. I know it's been a while since I've done a video or updated you guys on anything, so I figured today would be a good day to give you guys kind of a mini tour and show you guys what I do when I'm going through and I clean and feed our hatchlings. I'll show you guys what I would do next. I would come over and these are fresh hatchlings. These are just happen to be magentas. And there we got one more little guy in there. In the egg. But I'm gonna remove this guy. And he's going to go in here with his siblings. There are all of his siblings. And now I'm going to close these up. We have an Albicent. But she looks like she was the long one in there, so she'll stay in there probably till later tonight until Dad gets home to put her in her own container. Ooh, these are new. So these are Albicent Hypo Het 2 Negative Mosaic. Yeah, that's a cute little hypo there. We'll have to set up. And this year, for our technique on what we keep them in for their desensitizing period, we have been putting them in like this, so it's just a little bit of water. Obviously it's not going to be clean because they're coming out of a sticky, gooey environment. And this is actually something I wanted to show you guys. This is everybody's flying out on me. This is an Anery Mosaic. And now I'll show you guys later our Axanthic Mosaic. So now we have both. And these are some bone white hypos. Actually, these are ghosts. We got a bone white hypo and a ghost, I'm pretty sure. They would both be ghosts. Here would be our bone white hypo. And then a snow. And that's it for what's new in the incubator for today. We've got some T negative and some hybenos. And we've got some mosaics. We have some hypos. These are the lenses I just showed you. Here are some palmettos. We got a bunch of these little guys. And hopefully we will have these scaleless this year. What's underneath them? There's some pink pearl snows. We got some Mexican blacks. These guys will be ready to be separated tonight, so these guys can actually come out. But that is it for now. That is it for what babies we have ready and we'll be going through, and hopefully we'll get a video of us setting them up later for you guys this week.